I give thanks to like button down to the ground for your device, you know it is. Yeah, man. If for the first time watch our channel here, please do subscribe. It's fair as. Same old boy from a long time, man. Continue to give you the support, you know what I mean? It's a giving season. I give, so it's good to receive. Now put in the work. You know so much movie I put on channel. You see, every look the donation them when them come, they push towards the movie. You want more movie? Give some encouragement, please and thanks, man. We are building studio same time to you know, man. Come on, man. One family, you know. Why when I had the good, me don't see the good I push out. Where good people them there? Watch a movie still. I enjoy myself in the meantime. One per movie more today. Now about 5-6 movies today for release. Donado. Ready? Let's go.
Alia. Gitu.
Oh.
Gitu. Ya something like gitu.
Tell me tomorrow, yeah, man.
Girl, get up, man. Now you cause me a talk about.
Yeah, when you come at me, I do man. She feel like man. Oh, you coming here?
The girl they up man plus the door.
Come on, please,
Girl.
You want talk for?
Your cousin have no use, you know?
You don't have to do with me.
Your cousin have no use. He have no use in a bed. When no family no feed up and good food or something.
So when do you know?
Me there in the house I jump up and down and nearly down in that bed asleep.
Why? Not if you have my cousin business. Not me and your business. Me I don't know if you doing it. You see me with man?
No, I'm not slow, man.
Okay. That means I don't have no man for letting them better sleep. But once body in me better sleep and my daughter. You understand?
You come here, call the whole family sick or
Look here. No, let me this you feel. Now when me get a man can't say me don't not sleep, you know, little not sleep, you know, me always active. Don't get it twisted. So my cousin, something must be wrong with him. All I have to do, make him go check out himself and see if he pipe or walk or whatever now walk.
Me not make nobody go check out.
Go find next man then.
He and him to go check out him.
You come over with a load motor and we come and pick him.
Now this a boy here, you. I want him. So he does not have no
So,
use.
at least in your talk about me.
You see me talking about you?
At least in your... Hey, girl, no way I do it. No way I do it.
Oh, yo. Cause what you do, what kind of style them there?
If you come over here and tell me what we are doing over we are doing.
So what are they? I'm a cousin-in-law, she can't tell me anything.
No, enough everything they're private. Yo, don't make me reach over before you.
You're not over.
Don't make me reach over before you. Watch it.
Watch out. At the time you say you don't have a beat out the backside over there. I am next model. Before you get up and keep on the boy, you lie down and take a leak.
I'm talking about bun in my ear.
You go and go on. Wait. No.
Come on.
No bother with the action now. That's scary. No, let me do it too. Don't come back.
Oh, I'm also room idea, man. It's just so.
So yeah, stress on how you knew about that about room.
So, And then best time to drink rum, you can't take pictures.
Yeah, you come like I get and I breastfeed. You breastfeed and I talk about rum.
We can't wait till tonight and get first.
Come like you idiot. You cannot drink no rum. I'm there so smoke and you can't baby come in here and smoke. Me tell you, where you go breed for? You two water was craving here.
Give me two water I craving here.
Go and go put the picnic in bed and feed the picnic. That's what you go do. More rum and craving here.
Yeah. What I tell you so far you shall for the long one. No, baby. No, nobody when they give you no baby and say no baby. So we want baby that never time, man. Your husband can't breathe you. You know. But when I get up on, so you know, say have some people down there can't mind them people. Baby, you don't want to pick me a walk. Baby. You know, all these things that we find right now. How if I lose pick me around upon and they feel hungry right, and they better take two of them there. Make sure, listen, me not stay long for the phone, you know. Make sure if anything come close to me free. But we not have a promise to that. Alright, no problem. I remember it's a good conversation. 3 million. Yeah. Come every key person one. Yeah, there are 2 million of him baby and we take one. No problem. Alright, yeah. Well,
Look at that, huh?
oh. So, yeah, shit, so, yeah, lock him to bed. Should I do it in there with her?
One for rum and craving here, man. You tired, man. One drink for rum, man.
Rum and craving. I want to pass in the neighborhood called one couple of baby, you know. I'm going to try to see if I can find nobody who have the heart, like heart. No, that's I want rum and craving. I can't mind a battery, you know, back to you know. I just give the baby.
You got to take care of it.
What you mean?
You love my baby, you know.
All you have to do is sign one document and you get him back. So the document just shows that you'll get him back.
True?
Yeah.
So wait, how me get him?
You don't move. Yeah, I get it. I'll get the document. Don't move. Yeah?
Yes.
Wow.
Girl, man. You want to give up to the back.
Yeah. Yeah, hold the party back. Put them in your life. There, yeah.
Oh, I can't tell you.
Put it back down, man. Put it back down. And the room there, so. Alright, me then find no document, but me can't make a sign that book there. We're writing on it, so you know, have to really read it. You know, sign the signature right there, so. Put the full name right on it. Don't worry. You see, enjoy yourself, yeah? No, man, you can't speak that because you only need to cool yourself when you drink coffee. Enjoy yourself. No, you can't take your glass here. Alright, later.
Hello. What happened? You're not making a picnic? Me not busy where you want. Say, let fire. Say, you got a friend to go look better life for me and the pitney. And you gone and me not hear from you. When me call you, tell me say you're busy, you this, you that. You not even want to talk to your own daughter. Sometimes I serve people pitney, I ask me say, Daddy not call, Daddy not this. You know what me I go do? Me I go take a pitney out of your name. And that me I go do. I don't care what you want to say. But if you know how many pitney what you want me to do, you over there live good life. And me over here, me hardly. I make you out. And you over there cock up. Sit down. This time go see who are you over there without. Yo. You know what me I go do? Me I go put it. I go give Rasta man pitney. See pitney I have flu. And you can't even send me one little $100 or one little $200. Nothing you can do. See I'm sick here. And me I call you and tell me about easy self. Easy with self. You see since I Rasta man give me man, I got watch. Me I go put the pitney in her name. Just pretend like you don't have no daughter down here, here. Pretend like you don't have no pitney down here. And me done. Rasta man here.
Well, daughter.
How are you there?
Come here, man.
You can't come over here because I want to talk to you about something.
You do good to talking, you know.
Just build yourself now, just come now.
I ask me to see me down in the party. I bet them so lock off the stove and check you know?
Alright.
Come and watch them pussy take the pot off of fire and the pot hot. They open it up and take what they want and lock it back.
I don't know you have so much pussy do for your yard.
Well, you have to have puss before you have puss is. So,
Alright, just hurry up and come. I really want to talk to you about this.
Make sure something good, you know.
Alright, come later.
Next
one. Come there, grill open, you know.
No, but alright, good man.
I said you want to stylish way that if anybody are coming in here and can run. God, get this in that nobody else.
Wonderful. Every Friday night, I sneeze. I'm in a flu. I'm in a cold. So I'm going to sit down. That's not bad for me.
No. No, sir.
Oh boy. Your brother was nice to eat, so he invited over.
A full setting up to me.
You know that, Mr. But at least you look a space.
If you want brother, you can brother to you know.
You see, anyway, my brethren go, I don't want to close to it.
Speaking of brethren, what kind of low give man that you give me? Yeah, when I tell you say you go look a man give me.
Me? Top tell lie for me.
And who set me up on the man?
Never tell you say me a look man give you.
So where you go do?
The brethren calling me on my yard and you're so nosy. You push your nose over there and look like a man pushing over here. I tell you if you invite you for a long time. You try to no ital stew, you know, eat callaloo, you know, eat pap chai.
But if they do me not eat them, you could have cook something else myself, no?
No, but you never want I and I. See have your daughter in the so. Sometimes you share ball over here. Daddy, 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 daddy. And we partying daddy there. Farin your family there. Farin.
Workless man. Can you pick me sick now, pick me a flu and he can't even help buy one medicine. Me I call him and come ask me what.
Oh, so that you call me for?
Me call him to ask me what kind of man that you have as your friend.
When you did that,
text me not busy about him.
When you did that, lay down with him. And wrap up and suck out and do.
Who suck
you
out?
never know.
That before all of this, before he got fired,
So
he was a good man.
How did him get you impregnated? He never raped you. Enough time over me and can't sleep in peace. You see a concrete house and me a ball out over there. Derek, every time the man go up and he come down here. Yeah man, Every
I
time.
say your caca ears over here.
No, over them here. From over them here. Never like it. Because
Well,
I try there. You da get a son. And 2 daughter. Triplet one time.
Triplet from who?
No, when
and then you do me same thing when you walk the strength.
Listen, no. Every day I would have pop chai, callaloo, cucumber, tomato, all of them things there for you and the kids them. So you go in a hotel, you know what I mean? We don't care working at the market, because we have farm more and I give them to go sell down a market.
Never too late.
We could have, no, too late, because anytime my bedroom going to one place, me now going there too. Because I know if you go nowhere where part people go.
You not going there too?
No, me no want in there.
You
go here from far and say me.
Me am not there, me just done it because he left us say he might go far in the better me and the picnic. And he cried gone over the gas kubudu off.
Ah, put on joke aside now. But you know that fair enough.
You mean by original?
The number in our number, you know that far in. Alright, up couple parish in there in Jamaica, yeah.
So if in the right up
a chicken chick yo with the foreign argument kind twang pan you think
so how you know this, how long are you there? So me and you a neighbor, I mean don't know that.
Then say Rasta not involved in a fall fight.
But me and him have a picnic together and me and suffer, you know, a little girl I suffer. And I like a me if I never meet that little picnic dead.
No, but not about that though. You take where you get.
That me have to do.
You take where you get.
I'm a picnic and I'm a picnic now walk and beg.
Just tell the picnic say for people that are far in.
Me just right now, me always say as a little girl wake in Papa dead. Me say don't ask me nothing about your Papa dead.
Nah man, not go so already. Me tell you.
No, you can't tell me.
Listen up. Listen to you. I go teach you something man. You don't want the picnic grow up sad. Me tell you something about life. You tell the picnic say into what they are faring.
And when he hears
he go build with the capitalize a man, teach my teacher wise a man, you know. I'm a wiser person, you know. You know what go on now, he go have the hopes. So he go faring too.
Yeah, that's
so he go get big and he go smart and he go faring too. He go see his father and his father go one. Say I'm daughter and she go no say he when they are faring and never help him. That's what you do to dog there. You go worse at him, go buck him on idea. Damn! I pray a prayer for that little child. That little child go fly back European like taxi.
Yeah, Pitney.
Listen up. I pray for. I am like the father to the fatherless, the brother to the brotherless. I am
the sister to the sisterless.
No, I'm not the sister.
Why?
I am the uncle to the uncleless. I am the
like
grandfather to the grandfatherless. I am who I am, and I pray a prayer for that little child. I'm not pray for you, you know. That's why pick up a man like that and get where you get. Is it?
Where can come from?
No, listen on. When I throw my hook out there, I don't catch in there, Jack, and I saw you pit out it too. Because me nah say me a go faring. So the brethren pick chick you, say me a go faring and you make him fall in. And for him fall in and him drop in and pick him come out in gone.
Listen to me. So yeah.
For the baby come out in cut out.
So you try to say she tell me say him go fire me go little with him?
Yes, cause some of the young girl is like
that wasn't the case. The day in the bedroom, me a pillow on the sheet.
Oh no, that listen man.
You know.
No, it's better.
No man, you know. You're the
I was popping get like that.
You're the in. I don't care about him and a picking them.
I tell you, me said, he was popping the way there.
And you know, and you make me continue.
It's like a clothespin effect you have. It's a faring, and your legs open. When we say Jamaica, you jam your legs them together. So tight. Faring. Jamaica, tight. Faring.
You know, come on to me. Come on, business.
Yeah.
Come on, business.
Me think that, yo, you have food over here? I cook a call me where I know to chat, you know. Turn off the fire to come here we have to say. And then this you come with.
Yeah, so if you are cooking, go on.
You want give me pitney in my name. So me a idiot. It a better me see me name Pambula and me a it.
How you know that?
Cause if you want to put in my name, I no work for. I no work the way there.
Oh, you know.
I no work for. I no work for. I no want it.
I saw cooking call you.
Alright. I no work for. I no want it.
Then Chamber.
No mix me. Alright, upside in there. When I do them, if I have a time, I might try up there. Make a surprise.
No,
I'm
no, carry
gonna
up
drop
the
down.
time. If me carry up the lick stick, I'm dead in dead. If you carry me up there, I'm dead in dead. So nobody with it.
The more time
My
you
picture
play
now
this
so
again,
far.
I know sick. So.
My picture ain't worse, you know, more to be worse here. And go look for him and want to sit in front of him and go tell him kill him so skin thing. Go buy a business, the old Rasta man, you don't cuss all you in Nigeria.
Later.
990, you know.
Why, if you get down, call that your gear.
The bird yourself will be getting either.
Call that your gear. Call that your gear.
Ah! Where are you? Where are you, Tessa? Come. You can't just come out of the garden.
How are you? Brownie lick you? Yeah. Alright, go find the breakfast. Say your breakfast, sit down. Eat it. Eat. I'm so cold.
I'm about to be sure.
No, make it sure stay. Eat your breakfast. I'm so cold. Oi, you're letting me back.
I mean, you look at that no man, you control not to sit in my clothes them. My white clothes them and me I wash.
What want them in work and their clothes? Look here, don't let me pick me.
You chat to
I'm
me.
a hospital, I know you got hospital, you don't have to tell me here. Do not let me pick me.
When they talk to her, so if you do conduct your mouth.
Browning, yeah, how long now? Don't make me have to lick in your face in the browning. Don't make me have to roll out and say in the browning. Great. Don't let me pick me.
Here, why you talk to a girl, you know?
Look here, I pick me, you know what's up? I saw pick me stay. I'm going around with a little girl around with
See, you control him there.
Don't let me pick
Control the daughter, man. So, if you don't know, listen, in contact, sitting and cook me and water, and listen, right, that place. Why you do?
Who's fighting you, lick you? Let me see. Let me see. You sure you're not licking nowhere else? Oh, it can work fast. Yeah, what going Tasha? I'm saying like a brown girl run a back can lick me pitney. But how me pitney come around the control see in a water and having nerves so you put your hand pan her. I told the girl I know some more I lick me should have grown to go lick her in her face now bright she bright. You cannot pitney come here, you breed and have pitney and sell the pitney and now come put their hand for my pitney. Me don't want nobody put their hand for my pitney. Nobody. Yeah, bright, she bright. So me just more like a cuss her cause she bright.
Wait there. You're really in a palm phone. I tell you about how milk you pick me.
So now for me mouth. And I feel my phone. You have to put your hand on me pick me. So that she don't do nothing. She can't control like a domino in her water. A water domino and a fab in it easy cleaner.
You know it's under the
Oh, what does it look like the domino on her back? You just want somebody to pick.
So you're pregnant.
Girl, you think more you gonna do the same thing to my pitney what you gonna do to your pitney? Remember your brain and have your little girl, you know, and you sell him for 1 box of curry and 2 buckle of rum, you know. So me know why you gonna need nowhere near my pitney. Me know why you put your hand on my pitney and I feel me him. Me not gonna sell him. You see me?
I really let me get more say. I really let me get more say after me did drunk and you know a situation when me did
there is no way you go drunk so much so you go sell up in me. You just don't know what
Really?
There's no way I'm gonna drink so much. Look here, I drink too much rum that night and first of all, they
So you have
out. You understand me? I'm just signing paper. Say now I talk about the past.
Girl, you have a picnic. Stay here, you have a picnic. There is no outer road for you to go to road, but you have to drink rum. I have people out.
So you use that against me, eh?
Me know why you sell me a picnic.
That's how wicked sister.
Come out of my face.
Sing good. You see a picnic? Don't make your picnic interrupt me. Again,
Never picnic.
So when we lick him, don't come to me. Right.
Lick him and see me not lick you down.
Hello. Mr. Rice. Mr. Rice, sorry. Hello? Yeah, you hear me? You know, say, I want back me you because when me dad give him up, me never make a good decision. You understand? First of all, we did under influence of alcohol, so my mind never steady at the time. So I wonder if we can get him back.
Listen, first of all, you sold him to me, you know. Somebody really want a baby and you sold him to me. And I give you 2 pack of cigarettes and 2 pack of rum. So if I give you, done that rum.
But me can't buy back 2 pack of curving here, man, and 2 pack of rum.
No, man. I can buy fast.
So you say me can't give back me youth? I really miss him, man.
No.
So, Mr. Rice.
You don't seem like you're sober yet.
No, Mr. Rice, me well sober, Mr. Rice. And saying I have no other option.
Well, when we think about him, he's link.
What kind of link that?
You don't sign out to that. I just say go.
As me say, them junk me off, you know, and because we need that thing clear, that's why I sign the paper.
I'm a junk off.
Alright.
Hello? Jerry? Come here. Come here, baby. Yes, come here. Come here. Oopsie daisy, come here. Come have a seat, come.
Good morning.
Why? See you out.
Then,
Who that number?
hi.
Who that's hey?
Hey, so yes and no.
Oh, there. Give thanks to life, girl. Yes.
You want me good?
Go to your
Check your
girl.
fast though.
Yeah, man, girl. Just have a big man for me. She go really, really fast.
One more where I can still. Me know say me always make stay with the baby, see me. But me don't get to stay with her because me soon find out.
Oh, you get through the summer that time about?
Yeah, me get through so.
Oh, God. That bitter and sweet.
Yeah,
That's
go try it
nice.
somebody else though.
Oh, Lord. You got faith. I'm not figuring out. I'm never put out one advertisement for WhatsApp or something. I want to platform them. See me get somebody. But I'm glad I get the opportunity though. That's really, really nice.
No man, me takes everything go with me afraid.
Oh, when I come spend a bit of time with our friend, with them to say hi for 5 minutes.
No man, that good. Anyways, me and go back now. So you have to take care of yourself.
Alright, you too.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Alright, let's see if we can make one quick ads. We can go some Amazon. I'm posting. We'll get a few persons to see if we find nobody we're interested in. That should work.
Babysitter needed. Please contact me if interested.
You hear that now? I'll have to get you a new babysitter because Tia go here for him.
Babysitter needed. Please contact me if interested.
Yes, I have to get that. I have to get that.
Babysitter needed. Contact me if interested.
Hold on a minute. Hello, good morning. This is Miss Patrice. I just saw your flyer on TikTok. That you wanted a babysitter. Yes. I live at Gregwood Street. Yeah, this is my phone number. You know, I don't really have any qualifications, but I'm really good with kids. You know, I take care of my niece, my auntie kids, and I have a little sister also, you know, so I know what to do every little thing. And kids really love me. Yeah, it's not a problem to cook or clean. It's not a problem. You know, I don't really watch the money. It's just I just want to, you know, take a break from home. Yes. Where said I should come? Oh, it's today. I'm available today, even right now. Alright, what should I carry? Yes, I have a valid ID. Alright, but I don't think I have it on me though, but I'm just gonna come for the interview. Alright, thank you.
Why so serious?
I just want to reach out, driver. You know, so we reach over fiber day and I think. Oh, over the bamboo wall. But my green fan name. Oh, me just pass the fire station too, you know. Right back up here, so. Alright, we'll tell the driver. Driver, you know which part one bamboo lane there when they call it Kwaku Walk. Over there, so me I go. Right beside Green Pan School. Yeah, I'm making you know. Alright. In the next 15, no, less than 15 minutes to be there. Because traffic kind of bad on the road. Yeah. Alright. So, we give you a call when we reach out, alright? Alright. Yeah, hello. I'm in the taxi, you know. I think. Where should I should come again? Bob Walk?
I'm going to walk.
Alright, driver. Why left me out Bob Walk? Right?
Yeah, so just show him the detailed information that I sent you. He will know it's bad for you.
Alright.
Alright.
So I'm then nearby. I think I did Santa Point.
Alright then. Alright, be safe on the road. We'll see you soon.
Alright.
The new babysitter come. We feel like we don't like our new Nana. We feel like we don't like our new.
Hello?
Come in, someone's not at the door. I should be a babysitter. Coming! Oh. Hi! You're welcome. Come inside. Hi, little. Say hi, Nana. Say hi, Nana. You can have a seat. Just get a quick one.
So I'm Chosen. I'm not good with names. Sorry, Chosen.
Patrice.
Patrice, nice to meet you. This is Nana.
Hi.
So you hey, Nana. I'm gonna get used to it. But as I was saying on you said on the phone, you said you don't have any qualification, but you have experience.
Yeah, with kids, yeah.
You say you have nephew and siblings or
Yeah,
something?
my little niece with my sister child. I'm very good with her. Very good.
Okay. And all them grow with you and all of that?
Yeah, man, she loves me so much.
Well, for Nana, it's basically simply, like most children. She's very active because she's 1 year and 3 months. She eats a lot and she plays a lot, so you have to be very, very keen with your eyes on her. You have to watch her a lot. And number one rule, don't beat him.
No,
I don't beat her.
I never slap a child. I don't hit child. Me personally, I don't believe in like hitting kids. No, not me.
So can you cook and stuff like that?
Yes.
Can you porridge,
feeding, everything.
Alright. Okay, cool. She's not hard to deal with and she's very loving and jovial. So you'll get used to her. You'll get used to her. I like you so far though. I think I'm giving it a job because I'm really all the options right now too. You'll get used to her eventually. I've caught up many persons and I just wasn't feeling the vibe, so she's not hard to deal with. As you know, we spoke about the salary in the text message on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So you're all set. When could you start?
Soon as possible, maybe tomorrow.
Okay. Because I have to work and I work a lot, so tomorrow will be perfect. But let me show you around the place. No, just calm down, mama. I'm gonna give you a push now in a bit. Calm down. Yeah, come let me show you around the place. Feel free, feel welcome, feel at home. This is the kitchen as you can see. This is our room. Do you think you could do living? Like, do you think you could do living? I could start you off for a week, see how you work and if it's possible. Because I work a lot of hours. I have 2 jobs. So if you could live and work.
Yeah, we see what happened.
Do you have a boyfriend? I don't mean to get too personal, but I have to ask this.
No. I'm single. I've been single for years now.
Okay. Well, you could stay here and we could work out the schedule because I know you're going to need personal time for yourself and all that. Come, Nana. And as you can see, this is the bathroom. I have a small apartment. I work a lot. And I'm a single mom.
It's nice.
Yeah, man. So I want you to start early tomorrow. Is 9 o'clock okay with you? Come, Nana.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So forward in my place tomorrow, man. In bright and early, and as I said, feel at home. Nice little girl. She's not hard to deal with. Just have to get used to her. She's very nice.
All right, Nana. Alright, Nana.
Alright.
I'm gonna be your babysitter.
Listen. Try her again. Stop going for money, you babysitter. No, Nana. Okay, mama. You'll get used to her eventually. But that's a baby, man.
Alright.
Just
I'm gonna head back home.
Do you have any questions before you leave?
I got the job, right?
Yes.
Alright, so
Yeah, man, I think you'll do great. I have high hopes in you. Come, baby. Come, man, you're too busy. Come, we're gonna walk her. We're gonna walk her out the door. Yay! Come on. I want you to start early tomorrow because I have to leave out for work. I have to be at work for 10. So I leave out at 9 or 9:30 the latest. Tell her bye-bye. Come. You see, she's telling you bye-bye. She's bye. Bye. Alright, so take care now. I'll see you in the morning bright and early.
alright.
Let's go.
Elia!
Yo,
Let me know, girl!
from the man, bring my laptop.
If you just had something so. Girl, miss Sam!
I don't wake up the baby. Sit down on there.
Yeah. No, my foot there, this bread with my place from.
I fool you. With Afia.
Girl, where's your sister baby?
Yeah, fine now.
Your sister baby, they are firing me. Just a company walk down your road
Not too long ago, somebody tapped me and tell me, say, your sister sell the baby for romance cigarette.
Girl, nobody come and say the foolish. My sister picked me a foreign. Cause the other day she come in and me ask her where baby there. And she tell me say pick me gone with him papa. I believe her. She stop just foolish.
Never tell me he's a reliable source. You know what that means? That means say not tell lies. So your sister sell a baby.
So, oh you know say a true, and that one, oh you know say he sell it true because she tell me say pick me a foreign.
Girl, you can't believe your sister. Me I see picture in the video who he sell a baby to.
It's like, I'm not answering for you.
No, you don't believe me.
Hello. No, sir. We can't come for the work tonight, so tomorrow night we check you. Alright. Text me, so talk Friday. Where I say no?
Me I tell you your sister sell a baby girl.
Me don't know. Me not think my sister but when he come, I go ask him, what you say?
You know say your sister with romance cigarette.
Yeah, me see we do a cult and a cigarette and two back her room, yes, but me think I like go, she go and she meet one man and man buy her it.
Man buy her it? Eh? The girl selling baby.
Why?
Even up, I not call nobody name, but tell me
Make it stay, you don't have to call nobody name. As my sister reaching your name, I'm gonna have you out. But the nice, because your son like all the baby wake up there. So later, they're going to go check for me.
you don't know shampoo over there?
Yeah, me have to shampoo, you can get
Smell it.
Me don't want to smell it, move my hands up.
Smell it.
Hold on for your head, no wash so.
I know too much.
You're too nasty man, if you wash your head 2 months.
Go fish up.
Alright.
Time is it? What time is it? You're right now, so you leave like just to check the phone and I'll give you a call. Good morning. Stop once a month. Say good morning. Good morning.
Say morning. Mommy going to work now.
Yeah, me want to for any minute now.
What's the
Alright, come here. We have food in the fridge. We have plum. You know, make plum porridge. Yeah, man. Can we have some plum porridge, please? Yeah. And whatever no one cook for dinner. Food here. Food always there. I'll make sure food is here. See? I have food. So whatever I'll call and check on her from time to time and see if you guys are. So, okay, y'all. Have a good day now. We're gonna head out. Bye, Mama. Bye.
That's how you repeat me now. Cause I can't repeat me. I don't know how that's going. Oh, my country. Oh, yeah. Go listen. Come on, here, son. I think I already began. Don't you stand on the fridge. You might need to check down the fridge. So no kids shoes, baby. Let us know stop with the kids shoes, we don't have to drink. That's about some mac and cheese. You don't want them, right? That's good. For bring, I don't want to eat anything. I mean, your mommy. I'm gonna get your mommy, alright? So, you see me this year, I'm taking a wine bottle. Because I used to pick in. I put it there and 2 seconds. So I hear you, mommy, alright? I hear you, mommy. Yes? Call me mommy now. Oh, yeah, walk, man. Come on. Stop it, baby. And you better open the door open because it will creep a little bit. Come down. Come on. Huh? No.
It's too tired and stressed out. Burning! Burning! I understand how I'm going so burning! Open up, what's this? I must go and shop or something. Let me try to not panic because I just hired a girl here. I come forward, I'm a pitney and the girl disappear. No, I don't got me to go over panic yet. I don't panic because it's fun like. Voicemail? Wow. Wow. Phone ring 2 times I hang up. I don't know, I'm panic. The phone turn off, Papa Jesus. What could I call this not this time I did? After a long hard day of work. What is No, this not see. No, this don't say Father God. Me call the girl phone and I'm not get it. One time when we do kind of
Miss mommy, yes, when she was for me, I know I'm going to chat about picnic. So, get one picnic here. So, I'm going to get back my good picnic here.
So how you get her back?
What do you mean? We will give back your man in cart and a curve in here. I need 2 buckler and get one picnic. Think so, I'm going to put no room over my picnic. Come on.
Hi. Hello. Look here. Even though you're picnic, I means. Hello.
What do you want?
So what's your name? What's your name?
Kylie, what's your name? Kylie Jenner. Kylie Jenner Rampos. Kylie Jenner Rampos. Alright, here we come.
The picnic used to you, my ball.
Let me actually a long time to see mother.
See, look for the picnic young. Come here, mama. Just wait. Come here.
Come here, girl. Say get one little cousin here.
Come here. Mom, dear, how you look so?
The little poo.
Turn on. You just wait. You hungry now? You not hungry? You want to go back to sleep? Alright, go back to sleep. One.
So where you can say now? Where you can say about me now?
We still go so music because they shouldn't get her in the first place.
Because you know my estimation, me have her young, right?
So?
And me couldn't take care of no picnic. And you know say I was a rumhead. And so me go get my baby.
You're still a rumhead.
Baby. I got bleach. I'm gonna get me the brown now. You hungry, mama? Hungry? Hungry? She got hungry. Let's see if I go feed the baby though.
Alright.
Feed the baby? Go on. Come come. She can't walk, you know? Can't believe you say. The baby can't walk. Come. Come on, baby. Oh, look at that.
Mama?
Yeah.
Wake up and ready. You want to come?
No.
You don't want to come? Alright, I'm going to go with Auntie here. Nothing on trouble, you know. I tell Auntie see her around here. Alright, baby, so come.
So, ma. So, yeah. I'm going to start feeding baby so I can. I'm going to bring water and make a change. You know, say, I saw it hard to take care of it. I saw my dad, man.
No, you know, if you have your picnic for the young, you don't know. But anyway, me I go out for the road and come back. And I asked if you want to come and he said no. So I get up on her because she asleep.
You see?
Yeah, because, yeah, you ain't a motherhood, you know, for babysitter. So, get up on her and see them have to decorate the Christmas tree here. So you can say you want to decorate it yourself, so you can help her make she decorate it for me. And see to that she don't make no mistake, you understand? Alright, we soon come back. Alright.
We're gonna have the Christmas tree. Calm down. Calm down. Hold this here.
Alright.
Don't touch it, just hold it.
Just plug it?
No, just hold it.
Alright, hold it. Everybody's getting excited.
Let's start off this here, sir. Then
It's gonna look great. It's gonna look great.
yeah, man, it's gonna look great.
I just said I can.
Come, don't move. Ashley, don't move. You wanna put something on it?
Hello, anybody?
Oh God, I'm so tired.
Girl,
How are you doing, sir?
how are you are there, so?
How are you doing, sir?
How are you are there, so? Like you all a pink and something, girl. You're not supposed to be a foreign.
Girl, let me tell you something. You see a man when you want me to talk to? I hit me there with right now. In Ghana work, I'm there paint the place in my favorite color pink.
I see the guys, so are you? No, stop your pink. But anyways,
And everything me can tell you, I must can't tell you a lie. I don't know we are going, so I hit me there with in Ghana work, soon come in and now.
This is it, one big wife material. Like
Anyways,
say
how you find yourself?
Cut long story short, girl, me picnic. You don't know, say after you're gone, me hire one girl. You see around here, so she come from one shop, one. But right so, brown, slim, she have brown eyes, very light skin brown girl, me hire to take care of her baby. And you know one more say, one day me hire girl, you know, and go and work and come back. I come back in house empty, and now me look my picnic girl right now, me stress out. I wait me take off, the blood pressure
So
high.
as me gone, you gone jump, gone find somebody and know people background. What kind of
You
style
know me
that?
have to work, T, you know me have to work.
You pick up no grandmother? None, auntie?
T, you know how you go. You know me have to work. You know my mother can't always take care of baby girl and I'm stressed.
So what you
out.
gonna do now?
Me I try to find a girl, cause me have girl right now. I want about my picnic. I want about my picnic girl right now. I want crime. I want about my picnic. And me a press charges. She a go to prison, you know. She a go to prison.
You
You never see one slim, shortish brown girl. What the
If they
face?
truth, it be this year and see her with a picnic. Remember, say me know idea, you know, me go call you. That for sure.
Team me, I want to show people picture me and ask all the people that over there, some ask me and ask whole day and sweat up right now, girl. My boss until all this salt dry on my face. You can't see the salt on my face.
Well, alright, that's what me. In time, you see no one here, no me call.
Do and put it up on WhatsApp or something, girl. Me I send you a picture of her. Me I send you a picture of her.
Don't worry about that, me picture with her. Alright, later.
So take care of yourself.
Yeah, hope you find a picnic door.
I hope so too.
Jesus Christ. Go back in, go clean there.
Oh, you got daughter?
Yeah. I'm gonna call somebody and find out. Hello. Yeah, you need to sell the wrong address you give me. You know, tell me 33 Flower Lane. Must have might end up going something no, so you have to talk so we can. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Lord Jesus. Me tell us I'm head out going on. Sorry. See, I get it. I mean misunderstood. Sorry about that. Oh, so White Flower Lane, that Flowers Lane. 33. Alright, me I go there now because me tell us say me can't deal with this. It's feeling too overwhelming.
No, daughter, my whole piece, you know.
Alright, driver. Alright then. Me I check and make you know what happened. Thanks.
You sure it's up there so you all go?
Yeah man. Then say White Flower Lane and a 30th Street.
Alright, because I don't like the driving around, you know.
Sorry, man, just be on because I'm going to read it up there right now.
Yeah man, I try to look a princess, you try, it's fine.
Yeah.
Let me take the time.
I don't know my sign or it's like, these are the first place one that emotions outside but we really have to show you inside right now. I take a whole toll on there right now.
Well, work me and work still. But maybe after I done work, I can take a look for you inside. After I find it.
I know you waste them, I don't think about the baby waste.
No, you say the emotion inside of you. So maybe me that go inside every seat. So now you say more and speak to that.
I really can't talk about that right now. Half a man, I want to put man, I have to put man off. I can't talk about that, just me go through a rough day and talk about me inside. It's like easy.
You want a big man, you say have a little man, but really you want a big man.
See, I try to see me at first.
No, before I say no, cause
Alright, the sun is blurry.
we have some puss in our yard now. I'm afraid of puss and dog. All 4 layers. Hurry up.
Let me see, Rory.
Alright. You like the sheen? You like it? No?
So I'm getting about from 43 more. That's why I'm telling you apart now.
What? You see me there, you
Ah,
put me and you put me on the put out.
Hold on. You like it? Eh? I'm messing with the tear up. And you put on them up on it. The can't see you. Can't look lazy one over this. I didn't put on good. Hello, what's your suck finger? Hi, we come back. So I can do it. Just wait it.
One pressure, baby.
Don't push it, babe. Don't walk you out.
Brownie! No, you never come to fit. Jesus, you're the wicked, young, wicked piece of girl now. Stand up and don't move. Wait till me pick me and gone. You let me for kill myself or stress out myself or something, girl.
I want her up, man. I want her.
You know that girl here? My sister. The girl thief and pick and put the girl from work for one single day. I come home from work and my pick me gone. You do what? Give me my baby, girl. Give me my baby. Some wicked girl.
Come in, niece.
No, for me picnic. For you to go thief. Brownie, you see I get to go get back your picnic. How come you can't tell me no? She can't say a thief, baby. I can't believe this. You want wicked piece of girl. You look how you come in nice and everything, and you have nice niece or something, girl. You thief me picnic.
I need to chew.
I need to chew, but when you got thief picnic, that more and more. You say you picnic, you get back as you sell a picnic by me. Don't touch your baby girl. You want wicked girl. Don't touch your picnic. I can't believe this here. Why people them over there start look? She thief the picnic people and one wicked piece of girl. One day when I put her for that, she thief the picnic. No, never talk. You want wicked girl. Rasta, you got thief the baby. One day when I put her for the girl, thief the baby, you know.
Mama, if I'm like on press charges, you know, I'm not like her, you know.
I thought I'm a problem, my heart too good. Me, I left the girl to time. It's a wicked girl. You tell me, say you pick me and get back.
I'm telling you one thing. You're lucky saying what you fit me. Because when she have a baby already, you know.
No, did I get already have picnic?
One carton of cigarette and 2 bottles of rum in selling baby for a girl.
You, God, boy, deal with your girl. You want a wicked piece of girl. You think I look up things I put out for myself and add and show me picnic, you think me picnic girl, I think you're that nice to me, baby.
What's our picture around, bro? Make people know.
You're going to become famous for your wrong reason. When I don't post you.
Hear me now, hear me.
Yes.
Come here, example. Did the TV lady baby?
No.
Did the lady authorize you to carry the baby? You offer your
No.
Yes.
Offer.
She left me pick the anger and I'm going to walk a bar.
It doesn't really matter.
Listen me now, listen me. Listen me to you now. Offer the lip.
You know, family fan stuff.
How much
I'm called sorry picnic girl, come and pick it
Did the lady authorize you?
Picture in picnic so far.
Feel good to say me come home. You know can't take off.
Stop telling lies. To me girl. You come here and say to me, you say you go buy back your man 2 bottles of rum and carton of cigarette, give him and get back your picnic. That you can't say to me.
Hey, I authorize you to lock him up.
Nobody.
Can you never authorize him? Fits me authorize you.
Come on here, can you know police? If you know police walk and bring problems.
No, I am the neighbor.
Sorry about this sister. You want wicked piece again. You make sure say nobody no hire you again. Nobody don't hire you again.
It never authorized you. Not authorized. It was not authorized for you to take the people and picnic come so far.
No, I'm not there. No, listen.
No, I'm trying to him. So if I did your picnic, you should take him and gone.
No, I daycare center Sharon. Come here.
What do you mean by daycare center Sharon?
It was a prank. You so see me baby come back. Come on. Go on by yourself.
Come go in the room, please.
Alright, see down with you tonight. I know some like that and things still. When you leave in a comment, when you subscribe yet. If you not do so, do it now, man. You know what I mean? And if you're there in a Niagara Falls and you want your ear to do, I'm going to show you one of my friends, Paulette. You know what I mean? She do ear over there. She have every little thing where you want. If you supply up a ear, if you have a ear they want neat up it, she can do it. Fix the edges, she can do it. You know what I mean? So you go over the link up. Watch a party. Watch a party.